More breaking updates now coming in. An encounter has broken out in Kishtwar. Joint operations are on. 2 to 3 terrorists are believed to be trapped in the area. More details awaited. Let's go across to my colleague Sohail joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sohail, what's the update? Intel suggesting 2 to 3 terrorists have been trapped in the area where the security forces are currently there. What's the update?
Yes, this encounter is underway in Dole area of Kishtwar district. It's again a mountainous area, and Indian Army confirming that while carrying out intelligence-based operation, they have established contact with the terrorists who are hiding in the area. They are believed to be a group of Pakistani terrorists, 2 to 3. This operation is now being jointly carried out by Indian Army. Para-commandos are there, and in fact the special operation group of Jammu and Kashmir of Kishtwar district is present on ground, and in fact this operation is being carried out. Kishtwar district, particularly the area around Chhatru, it has seen in fact terrorist activities from a couple of years, particularly in last few months, and there were credible intelligence inputs about the movement of terrorists, and security forces, basically Indian Army, started tracking movement of these terrorists, and today morning Army has successfully basically established contact with the terrorists, meaning they have tracked down the terrorists and they are being engaged, and the more details of the operation will come in some time. But yes, the operation is underway, and it's a mountainous area called Dole where this operation is taking place. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Sohail, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, we have a update coming in as well, an official update as well on the operation. It says contact with terrorists, alert Indian Army troops while carrying out an intelligence-based operation have established contact with terrorists in the general area of Kishtwar in the early hours of the 10th of August. Gunfire exchange operation under progress. So the operation is still ongoing, and we will continue going back to Sohail for the updates. For now, it's time for us to slip into a quick break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.